Baking has really boomed during this pandemic, and I never really caught on because I thought it'd be a huge mess as I'm not really much of a baker. But ever since I got an Anova oven, I feel like it'd be much easier. But how would something like bread turn out in an Anova versus a conventional oven? I'm gonna find out today by baking up some baguettes. Stay tuned, y'all. The full recipe will be linked down below so y'all can check it out later. But simply start off with 6 cups of all-purpose flour, then 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of active dry yeast, and then you're gonna mix it up real well to get it all incorporated. And then you're gonna stream in 3 cups of lukewarm water. Mix that all up and mix that all up until a dough forms. If it's too sticky or not wet enough, you can add a little bit more water. Mix that all up. And it should look something like this. After that, you want to wrap it in plastic wrap and then put it on your countertop, or in my case, the Anova oven, overnight or for at least 20 hours. Alright, after 24 hours, you just want to flour your work surface. And then take your dough ball out. And then you want to cut it in half to make 2 baguettes, one for the conventional oven and one for the Anova. You want to do your best to try to form these into somewhat baguette looking shapes. I'm kind of bootlegged, but this is what they should look like. Now you just want to let these rest for another hour, covered in a warm place. You saw how the breads looked out the oven. We got the Anova right there, conventional right here, and now I got my sister right here. Say what's up. We're about to taste test and see how it is. Alright, let's go for the Anova first. Alright.
That's one good.
Yep. Crust is nice and crunchy. If you've seen, the Anova produced a way better crust than the conventional. Way more brown, more golden. This is more like pale. But time to taste the conventional. Hold up. To me, they both taste pretty similar.
It's just the crust is better on this one.
Yep. So, if you want a really nice crust, the Anova is the way to go. But if all you have is a conventional oven, then you can still produce a very nice baguette. Well, don't pay attention to the shape because it's my first time. And my shaping is not that great, but the taste, on point. So, see y'all in the next video. Happy living. Peace.